Okay, so we need to type these out on our calculator to make sure that we are in the right mode, which is basically another way of saying right units. Angles can be measured in different units, so we got to make sure we're all working in the same units. We want them in degrees because I want to know what is the ratio, which is just going to be a terrible decimal. What is the ratio that happens if I take the sine of 42 degrees? So we should all get the same thing, and it depends on which type of calculator you're working with. So let me show you what I got. There we go. So I have a graphing calculator, and if I can make this visible, there we go. So if I type in the button sine and then type in 42 and close my parentheses, I'm getting a negative number, which is an issue. If you ever get a negative number, your mode's wrong. So in this calculator, if I push the button that's called mode, I can scroll down, radian is highlighted, and I can say, nope, I don't want radians. I can hit enter. I want degrees. Second, quit, and then I type the same thing again. Sine of 42. This time, that's the answer I want. If you can get that out of your calculator, you're good. Now, I also have an iPhone. You'll notice right now, it doesn't say anything about sine, cosine, or tangent. So just like with our radicals that I kind of showed you in one of the videos, I'm going to turn off my rotation lock so I can spin it. And then I see sine, cosine, and tangent. Now if I push sine right now, I can't, like sine of 42 turns out 42. This is one of the ones that I think we're going to talk about in the morning meeting, that it's annoyingly backwards. So I actually have to say 42 is the angle, and I want to take the sine of that angle. That's what's going to get me the exact same answer that I want of 0.669. So it's an annoying type. It'll do the job. It's not pleasant though. So if you're doing it right, and if you're following along, type in cosine of 24.5. You should get 0.90996-ish. And lastly, before I end this video, because my son's interrupting me, make sure you can get 1.664 for the tangent of 59. So email if you're having issues with your calculator, but these are the 3 results you should get from typing these in on whatever